My name is Kartini Prabhu. Welcome to my presentation for AI-driven creative thinking. Today I'll be analyze how artificial intelligence can enhance human creativity and problem solving. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk through how AI fits into the creative process, share some real example and talk honestly about its limits and ethics. I'll cover first the foundational creative thinking skills and how they apply when working with AI and then real world example of AI in creative work. After that, I'll analyze how AI changes the creative process and decision making, followed by an honest look at one limitation and one ethical challenges. Nextly, creative thinking has always relied on two complementary modes, divergent and convergent thinking. Divergent thinking means generating many possible ideas. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are remarkably good at this. They can produce dozens of variations in seconds, whether that's alternate headlines, visual concept, or plot direction, winning the idea pool far faster than brainstorming alone. Convergent thinking is the other half evaluating and selecting the best idea. This where the human role becomes essential. My job shifts to the of a curator judging relevance, originality, and fit with the creative goal, then refining the AI's raw output into something intentional and polished. So AI doesn't replace this foundation skill. Nextly, let me give some concrete example. ChatGPT supports writing and scripting. Midjourney and DALL-E turn text prompts into visual art and concept illustration. Runway assists with video production and effect. Suno composes original music from a short brief. Canvas Magic Design automates layout and visual suggestion. And even in technical fields, GitHub Copilot extends AI-assisted problem solving into code across every one of those domains. The pattern is the same. AI handles rapid generation and human handle direction and judgment. So how does this actually change the creative process? If I compare a traditional workflow with an AI augmented one, the shift becomes clear. Idea generation goes from slow individual brainstorming to instant high-volume AI draft. Research goes from manually gathering references to AI surfacing patterns and references almost instantly. At the decision point, instead of choosing from just a few options, I'm now filtering and curating from many. Iteration become rapid and low cost instead of slow and expensive to read. It's important to be honest about the downside. First, the limitation homogenization, because AI models learn from exciting data, unguided output, and coverage on familiar pattern. For example, prompting an image generator for a futuristic city. Second, an ethical challenge. Authorship and copyright generated models are trained on copyrighted material, which raises real question about consent, create, and owners of AI-assisted work. So what can we do about this? I suggest for practical strategies. 1. Keep a human in the loop. Treat every AI output as first draft that a person review and approve. If I had this summarized on this line, it's this: AI doesn't replace creative thinking. It changes where human judgment is applied, from generating options to curating meaning. For this presentation, I use ChatGPT for scripting support and Canvas AI design features for those visual. Thank you so much for watching my video. AI is a powerful creative partner when paired with human judgment, transparency, and ethical care. This has been Kartini Prabhu for AI Driven Creative. Thank you so much for the listening.